Hey, so good morning ulit sa ating mga grade 5, 5th graders. So review tayo ng kaunti, let's review a bit about yung naging topic natin last time. So last Wednesday and last Friday, nagkaroon tayo ng quiz. And it's about keyboard, right? So, and also about keyboarding. So review tayo ng kaunti, So ito ngayon, this is the tawag natin escape key. Okay? ESC means escape. How about yung F1 up to F12? Anong tawag sa F1 to F12?
Function keys.
Alright, function keys. Okay? Function keys ang tawag sa F1 hanggang F12. Okay, how about ito naman sa sumunod? Yung merong mga page up, page down, home key, end key, insert, saka delete. Anyone? Di ba nagtest tayo dyan? Binigay ko pa sa inyo yung answer key. So what do you call this one? This part. Oh, wala yung mouse ko. This part. Yung merong page up, page down, home key, end key, insert, delete.
Navigation keys po.
Yes, navigation keys. Okay, navigation keys. And ito naman yung part na to, yung mukhang calculator. Yung arrangement niya looks like calculator.
Numeric key.
Numeric.
Numeric keypad.
Alright, numeric keypad. Okay, numeric keypad ang tawag dito. So natatakpan ko yata. Anyway, yung natatakpan ko lang naman para yung ilalim. So numeric keypad ang tawag sa pinakadulo. Sa rightmost part of our keyboard is called numeric keypad, from which the arrangement looks like of calculator. Okay? And then how about yung ilalim ng navigation keys, yung merong up, down, left, and right? Okay, up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right. Anong tawag dito sa ating mga arrow keys na to? Uy. Anyone would like to answer? Starts with letter C.
Cursor keypad po.
Yan, cursor keypad. Okay, cursor keypad ang tawag dito, na. And then ito naman yung ating main part. This is the main part of our keyboard. Ang tawag dito ay
Typewriter pad po.
typewriter keypad. Okay, typewriter keypad. Lastly, yung number, kasi within the typewriter keypad, you can see numbers from 1 to 9 and then 0. How about the boys? Wala na akong estudyante na boys. Puro girls ang sumasagot, ha. Wala tayong boys dito. So 1 to 9 until 0. Anong tawag dito? Try natin ng mga one of the boys. Mateo, James, or Uriel. Let me have your answer. Anong tawag dito ngayon sa mga keys na number within the typewriter keypad? Ako nag-isip. James, would like to try? Itong part na to, itong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 na nasa loob ng typewriter keypad. What do you call these? Keys.
Number.
Number?
Alphanumeric keypad po.
Pag sabi alphanumeric keypad, it's alphabet tsaka numeric. But I'm just asking for these numbers na keys within the typewriter keypad. Nakailang beses na akong sinabing sagot. Ilang beses ko na sinabing sagot doon.
Number po yan.
Oo nga, number. 2 words at 2 words. Number. Ano yung second word?
Number keypad po.
Ayun. Okay, number keys. Okay, number keys. Okay, number keys ang tawag dito. It ranges from 0 to 9, okay? Pero yung arrangement niya, 1 to 9, tapos 0, okay? So yun, these are the keyboard parts. Function keys, navigation keys, numeric keypad, cursor keypad, the typewriter keyboard, which is the main, okay? Ito yung main pad of our keyboard. And then the number keys. Right? Tapos tinuro ko rin sa inyo yung home keys, okay? Yung home keys, so dito lagi magre-rest ang ating fingers once na wala naman siyang ginagawa. So if you're going to look closer, Uriel, naka-computer ka, right? O naka-tablet?
Laptop po.
Laptop, okay. On your laptop, pansinin mo yung letter F at saka J. Salatin mo nga kung meron ka nakakapa.
Meron po. Guhit na maliit.
Yun, may nakaumbok, di ba? So, actually, yan ay sign yan. Okay? Tanda yan. Para malaman nyo kung nasa ng home keys. Okay? So, home keys, ang left natin ay, ano-ano mga nasa left? Anong keys?
ASDF.
Alright, ASDF for the left key. For the left hand. How about sa ating right hand?
JKL.
JKLN.
JKL.
Ano tawag doon sa sunod? Alright, semicolon. JKL and then semicolon. Alright. Okay, so yan ang ating home keys. Ano? So once na halimbawa wala namang ginagawa ang inyong hands or your fingers, so just rest it on your home keys. Lagi kayong babalik sa home keys ninyo. Okay? So ganyan ang lagi. Tapos ang inyong thumb ang nasa space bar. Okay? Okay, so that's it for short review. So punta tayo sa mismong ating papasok na tayo sa mismong main topic natin sa ating main discussion of our lesson. Kasi yung mga tinuro ko sa inyo last week, part of the introduction pa lang yun. Okay, so the computer system, just like any other system, okay? Kahit hindi yan gagana ng maayos kung kulang ang component nito. Okay, component. Tandaan niyo ba yung components? So yung computer system daw will not work properly or achieve its goal if any of its components is missing. So what are the three components of computer? Actually, ang tanuro ko sa inyo elements eh. Yung elements kasi 4. Pag components 3 lang. So elements are yung mayroong mga where. Ano yung mga where na yon?
Software.
Software.
Hardware.
Hardware.
Peopleware.
Peopleware.
So,
Meron pa isa, yung sa elements. Actually, tama na yun, 3 ang components of computer. Okay? There are 3 components of computer. Okay, nice. So, 4 na yung nakakapag-recite. Very good. Isa na lang din nag-recite sa inyo. Alright, so let's say, let's say kayo, students, kayo yung user. So you are the peopleware, okay? Kayo mismo yung peopleware. At meron kayong computer sa bahay, which is the hardware. Okay? Diba, merong keyboard, may mouse, may monitor, may system unit. So meron kayong hardware. So ano na lang ang kulang? Ano na lang kailangan nyo? May peopleware ka na, may hardware ka na. So kulang pa rin, kulang yung components of computer. Kailangan kompleto yung 3 eh. So what's the third?
Software po.
Yan, software. So you'll be needing software. Yun na lang kailangan mo na lang ng software para magamit mo yung computer. Okay? Para yung computer system ay gumana. Kasi ang computer system ay kailangan merong peopleware, kailangan merong hardware, at kailangan din merong software. So pag ang isa ay kulang, hindi gagana ang computer system. Okay? Hindi niya ma-achieve ang goal niya. Gaya ng sabihin natin may computer ka nga sa bahay, wala namang peopleware, walang gumagamit. So sa tingin niyo gagana yung computer system? Oh, hindi, di ba?
Hindi po.
Oh. So let's say meron kang peopleware. So ikaw, wala ka namang computer, magagamit mo ba yung computer system?
No.
Oh, di ba? Hindi. Kailangan kompleto yung tatlo. Okay? Kailangan nandiyan lang yung tatlo para ma-achieve ang goal ng computer system. Right? Okay. Pero, before you'll be able to use the software or any program, it is important pa rin to learn about the operating system. Naalala nyo, when we were discussing about yung software, there are two categories, right? Meron tayong system software and application software. So this operating system is classified as, ano siya? System or application? Andun yung sagot oh.
System po.
Yes, system software. Okay? System software ang operating system. So based na rin sa ating definition last time, sa system software or operating system, so ang operating system pala ay collection of special programs. Okay? Collection. So set siya. Set of special programs that supervise and control the operation of other programs in your computer and the use of devices connected to it, gaya ng printers, hard drives, webcam, and other peripherals.
Nasa kabila na sila.
Kasi yun So hindi lang pala iisang program ang operating system. So marami palang programs ang bumubuo sa operating system. Okay? So sabi dito, it is a collection, So it is a set of special programs. The question is, ano-ano yung mga set of instructions na nakapasok sa operating system? Okay? So first instruction is to read and write information on the disk. So we have the hard disk. So yung isa sa mga instruction kay operating system is para makapag-read and to save. Yung write kasi is to save, To read and write information on the disk. Okay? So Uriel, sa tingin mo anong di ba nakakapag-save ka sa computer mo? Nagamit? Likewise with Mateo, nakakapag-save ka sa laptop, di ba? Tama? Mukhang hindi siya nakikinig.
Opo.
How about si Mateo?
Hindi pa ako nakapag-save.
Hindi ka nakakapag-save, kawawa ka naman, hindi nakakapag-save. So yun So yun ang trabaho ng operating system. That's the first instruction. Second is to manage the files and directories. So kung ano-ano man yung mga files mo na nandiyan sa loob ng iyong computer, na laman ng kanyang computer, so ang nagmamanage niyan ay si operating system din. Next is set up the different peripheral devices. So gaya nga ng printer, mouse, keyboard, mga ganun, mga peripherals, So ang operating system din ang mismong ang responsible sa pag-set up nila. So yung pag-i-install, okay? Para magamit mo ng maayos ang iyong mga peripherals. So ang nagse-set up niyan ay operating system. And lastly, operating system din ang nagra-run ng iba pang mga programs. Okay, let's say Microsoft Word. Ang Microsoft Word is an application program. Okay? So para mag-run ang application na ang Microsoft Word, kailangan niya na merong operating system muna. Okay? So without the operating system, hindi magra-run ang mga programs like Microsoft Word. Okay? So let's say you want to play ROBLOX. Diba? Kailangan yung computer mo, meron muna siyang operating system before ka makagamit ng games na ROBLOX. Right? Nagigets nyo ba? Kasi sa phone na lang, sa phone muna. Si James ay naglalaro ng ML, right? So yung ML mo ngayon, it is an application. Application ang tawag sa ML, okay? Sa Mobile Legends. Ngayon, yung app na yon, yung application mo, hindi naman siya may install sa phone kung walang operating system na existing ang iyong phone. So ano ang operating system ng phone mo? Android, okay? So Android ang iyong operating system. Kung walang Android na naka-install kay phone, hindi mo magagamit ang phone. O let's say, sabihin natin, okay, may phone ka. So may hardware ka, di ba? May hardware ka na phone. Ikaw ang peopleware. Pero wala kang software, wala kang Android. Ang phone mo ngayon hindi mo magagamit kasi nga without the software, totally black lang siya. Okay? Blackout lang ang phone. Kasi wala naman naka-install software eh. Walang magra-run, walang magpapatakbo. Alright? So you need the operating system para mag-run smoothly ang iyong phone. Likewise with the computer. So ang computer system, kailangan din ng operating system para mag-run ang mga programs niya na naka-install sa kanya. So yun. So it's a must. For every computer, operating system is a must. Kailangan meron siya lagi. Alright? Any question muna about operating system before we continue? Okay, none. So ito na, yung main natin, yung main topic. Alright, so on your module kasi, Introduction to Windows 7 ang ating lesson, okay? So Windows 7 is an operating system. Ito na, isa siyang OS. OS means operating system. Yan yung mga terms na ginagamit sa computer. OS means operating system. So Windows 7 is an OS developed by Microsoft. Tandaan nyo ba yung ating computer timeline? During our first grading, pinag-aralan ng computer timeline, right? So sino yung isa sa mga founder ng Microsoft? Yung merong Bill.
Bill Gates po.
Yan, very good. Bill Gates. Okay, very good. Nice. Okay. So Windows 7 ay dinevelop ng Microsoft. So it became available sa market or sa naging na-release siya sa consumer noong 22nd of October year 2009. Imagine 2009 pa siya. Di ba? Napakatagal na ng Windows 7. So this OS of Microsoft was a major shift in usability, convenience, and overall computing from previous version of Windows. Okay? So compared with the previous versions of Windows, kasi meron niyang Windows 96, Windows 97, Windows 98, merong Windows Millennium, 2000, meron pang Windows XP, and yung mga Windows na yan, tsaka lang na-release ang Windows 7. And compared with yung mga pinagsasabi kong Windows, yung mga XP, Millennium, 2000, Windows 98, Windows 97, pagdating kay Windows 7, naging napakalaki ng pagbabago. Kasi kaya tinawag na major shift. Very user-friendly, Kasi nga, pagdating sa usability, convenience, and overall computing, very reliable na ang Windows. Okay? So yun, nagsimula siya pagdating sa version ng Windows 7. Kaya naman up to now, ngayong year 2022, may mga gumagamit pa rin ng Windows 7. Kasi nga, napaka-user-friendly nito. Kahit na may na-release na Windows 8, may na-release na Windows 9, Windows 7 pa rin ang gamit nila. Alright? And then, ito naman si Windows 10. Okay, Windows 10. So it was released to consumers nung 29th of July, year 2015. So after 6 years, after almost 6 years ng development, nirelease ang Windows 10. And within those years, na-release si Windows 8, na-release din ng Windows 9. Alright? So this itong Windows 10 ang successor ng Windows 9. Alright? Successor to Windows 9 ang Windows 10. Kasi nga Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 10. So successor siya ng Windows 9. So kung ang Windows 7 ang major shift ng Microsoft pagdating sa usability, convenience, and overall computing, ito namang Windows 10 ang tinatawag naman ng Microsoft na universal apps. Again, universal apps kasi yung apps niya apps ng Windows 10 yung dinevelop nila ay nagwo-work din or gumagana rin sa mga smartphones at pati sa mga video game consoles. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang ating mga phones, mga Android phones, pwede ka na mag-install dito ng mga Microsoft. Pwede ka na mag-install ng mga Word. Okay? May mga Excel na rin to ang ating phones. Okay? So, yun ang feature ng Windows 10. Kaya tinawag na Universal Apps. Alright, so ako kasi I'm introducing you both Windows 7 and Windows 10 kasi nga your module or our module is teaching us about Windows 7 only. But since it's already 2022 and yun nga, so medyo obsolete na yung Windows 7. So I think it's just right to talk about Windows 10 too. Okay? So, kaya pag-uusapan natin yung Windows 10. Any question? So, ako may question ako. James, please show up. Yan. So, in case ba na may hands-on activity na ipapagawa sa inyo, may computer ba kayo magagamit?
Meron po.
Okay.
Wala po.
So, wala kayo matayo, pero meron kang laptop.
Di ba po iba ang computer sa laptop?
Computer. So, laptop is, pag binuo mo kasi yung laptop, ang tawag din is laptop computer. Okay? Di ba based from our lessons before, laptop computer, personal computer. Okay? So, it means, ang laptop ay isa ring, what?
Computer.
O yan.
Computer.
So, isa ring computer yan.
Magpapasamit po kayo ng ganun po.
How about si James?
Wala.
In case ba na mayroon akong ipapagawa activity na involve ang hands-on sa computers, meron kang magagamit?
Laptop po.
Ano na ulit?
Laptop.
Laptop, meron?
Laptop daw po.
Si James muna ang gusto kong pakinggan. James, meron?
Laptop lang po.
Laptop. O tama, okay? At least may magagamit ka. Okay, laptop, computer. Okay, that's good enough. Inaalam ko lang kung may magagamit kayo or wala. Okay, so thank you for answering. So you'll be needing Windows 10 or Windows 7 para magawa yung activities kung sakali. Ha? Pero I believe that you're using already Windows 10. Kasi bihirang-bihira na yung gumagamit ng Windows 7. Okay, so punta tayo sa sa Windows 10. Windows 10 tayo ngayon. Okay, so ito yung itsura ng Windows 10. As default, ito yung itsura ng Windows 10. So ito yung kanyang logo. Itong part na to. So yung wallpaper ng Windows 10, ganito ang itsura sa default. Okay? Pag bagong install siya, itong itsura niya. So yung nasa bottom ng screen, this one, yung dark part, I think this is dark blue or navy blue. This is called the taskbar. Okay? Again, ang tawag dito ay taskbar. At nasa leftmost niya, yun, tingnan yung dulo. Okay? Tingnan yung pinakadulo niya ito. Nasa leftmost ng taskbar ay ang ating start button. Okay? Again, this is the start button. Ayun na itsura niya. Okay, do you see? So ginawa ko lang ganito na para kita nyo. So this is the start button. So pagka halimbawa, click nyo to, it will display a menu that lets you easily access the most useful items on your computer. So once you click it, may magpa-pop up na ganito. Alright? So you'll see different application softwares that are very useful for you or useful to you rather. Okay? So ito yung mga apps or applications na very useful sa inyo na pwede magamit sa paggagawa ng mga documents, paggagawa ng spreadsheet, presentation. So ito yon. So depende, no? Depende kung anong klase ng file ang
Iilang po.
Go. Okay, so let's have a closer look sa ating start menu, okay? So i-maximize, i-zoom ko muna to. So yan. So ito yung itsura ng ating start menu. So tingnan natin yung mga parts, ano? You can see button icons here sa left side. Ito yung column na to from this one hanggang this ilalim, di ba? So ito muna, yung 3 lines na to, yung 3 parallel lines, ang tawag dyan ay menu. Okay, so menu, this is the menu that could expand, ano? This could expand to show names for all menu items. So clickable yan, okay? The next, this one. So this is the account, okay? Account icon or account button. So here, you can lock or sign out from your PC. So pwede ka mag-switch to another account or change your account picture, pwede dyan, or by selecting a picture from your browser or from your computer, pwede yun. And makikita siya nga dito sa left side ng ating start menu, okay? Ito, yung left side ng start menu, ito yun. Okay, sa ilalim ng account, next naman ay ating File Explorer. Okay? Again, this is File Explorer. So this is used to access the letter, the reports, mga notes, and other kinds of documents stored in your computer's hardware or hard drive rather. Okay? So kung ano man yung mga nakasave sa iyong computer, ng mga documents, ng mga files, ng mga pictures, so ito ang ating kiklik para mabuksan yon. Okay? Para ma-access natin. Again, for us to be able to access the files that we saved, so sa File Explorer tayo pupunta. Alright? And then here, this one. Ano itsura nito? Mukha siyang...
Settings po.
Oh, that's right. This is settings. So mukha siyang gear, ano? Yung icon niya, it looks like a gear. So gaya ng sa ating phone, di ba? Sa phone, di ba, ang settings ay gear, ang kanyang icon. So dito naman, this button will bring you to the settings or to the control panel of your operating system. Right? So this is used to change the settings and to customize the functionality of the computer. So yan yon. So kung gusto mong baguhin yung settings ng iyong computer, just go here. Sa settings button. Okay? And then lastly, so what do you think is this icon? Ano yung button?
Power button.
Yes, that's right. So that's the power button, no? So if you're when you're ready to step away for a while, so you may use this start button, ano? The power button rather. The power button at the bottom of the start menu to make your PC sleep or to restart or shut down completely. Ito naman, okay, ito naman yung mga icons na with label or with their names. Yun naman yung mga applications that are installed on your computer, okay? Mga applications yan na naka-install sa kanyang computer and for you to use, depende on what type of file you are going to create or to edit. So ito yon, yung mga applications. Okay, so some commands or some applications on the start menu have a down-facing arrow. Ito yung nakabilog. So meron siyang down-facing arrow, which means it is AMD Catalyst Control Center. So itong command na to has additional choices. Okay? Meron siyang additional choices na kapag ating hinover dito yung mouse or kapag click natin, yung ating pointer, merong mag-a-appear pa na submenu. Okay? So bababa pa yan. Magkakaroon ng panibagong menu rito which is it's called submenu. Okay? Okay, let's start dito, no? Start natin i-explain muna itong ilalim which is the power button. So the power button, so when you're ready, sabi ko kanina, when you are already ready, kung handa ka na to step away for a while, so you use the power button, this one. So just click this one and then mag-a-appear yung panibagong pop-up. Okay, so magpa-pop up ang panibago, no? Kita nyo rito, merong sleep, merong shutdown, at merong restart, okay? So let's explain natin isa-isa. So unahin natin ang sleep. Okay, so sleep is used to save your session and put the computer in a low power state so that you can quickly resume working. So dito naman, if you're going to use, kung halimbawang gusto mong mag-take a break lang muna at gusto mong makatipid sa kuryente, so you're going to put your computer on sleep. Okay? So sa pamamagitan nito, not actually shutdown, no? So ito i-switch off muna niya yung inyong monitor, okay? And some parts of your system. At tapos later, pagkatapos mo mag-break or sabihin natin nag-candy ka muna, tumayo ka muna or nag-jingle ka muna, pumunta ka muna sa banyo, pagbalik mo sa computer, you're just going to move the mouse, magsi-switch on na uli ang iyong monitor or babalik na uli yung system mo. Okay? So sleep. Next is shutdown. Okay? Shutdown is used to close all open programs. It also shut down the Windows and turns the computer off. Okay, so ito naman, so of course, if you want to turn off completely your computer, shutdown ang gagamitin mo. Okay, so yun na. So halimbawa, you're working on something tapos click mo yung shutdown, i-close nyo muna lahat ng mga programs na nakabukas. Okay, so let's say nakabukas ang Chrome, nakabukas yung Word. Tapos nag-shutdown ka. So i-close nyo muna ang mga programs na to and then i-shutdown nyo sa Windows and then after that, tsaka naman niya ito turn off completely ang iyong computer. Tapos yung last natin is the restart. So restart is used to close all the open programs again, shuts down the Windows and then starts Windows again. Okay, yung pagkakaiba ng shutdown restart, so yung naman na, yung pagkakaparehas niya. So parehas sila na i-close ang iyong programs na nakabukas. And then, we'll shut down the Windows. Then after that, pag shutdown, ito turn off niya completely ang computer. While yung restart, pagkatapos mag-shutdown ni Windows, magi-start all over again si computer. So hindi siya mamamatay, di ba? Hindi mag-switch off si computer. Instead, magre-reboot siya kung tawagin. So magi-start siya all over again, yung Windows magi-start uli hanggang sa magbukas yung iyong system. Any question? Okay, any question? Okay, wala na? So yun na, so kakapusan na sa oras if i-continue pa natin. James, nakapag-ano ka na ba? Nakapag-toilet ka na?
Hindi pa po.
Okay, go. Go na, pinapayagan na kita. Okay, I'm just opening the Angelus. And I would like to call on Uriel. Uriel. So next so next meeting na tayo iko-continue yung about Windows, okay? Mag-hide muna yung aking camera. Okay, please lead the prayer, Uriel. Ask your classmates if they're ready to pray.
Are you ready to pray, classmates?
Yes, we are.
In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. The angel of the Lord declared unto Mary,
And she conceived
With the Holy Spirit.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus.
Holy Mary, Mother of
Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and ever for Amen.
Behold the handmaid of the Lord.
Be it done to me according to your word.
Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. The fruit of your womb, Jesus.
Holy Mary,
Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and ever for death. Amen.
The Word was made flesh.
and dwelt among us.
Among us,
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus.
Holy Mary, Mother of
pray
God,
for us sinners now and ever for death. Amen.
Pray for us, Holy Mother of God.
that we may be
That we may
worthy
be worthy
of
of the
the promises of
promises.
Christ.
Let us pray.
Pour
For
forth
we
we
beseech
beseech
you,
you,
O
O
Lord,
Lord,
your grace
your
into our
grace
hearts,
into our hearts, so that
your Son, by the by his passion
by
and
his
cross,
passion and cross,
we
we
may
may
be brought
be
to the
brought
glory
to
of his
glory
resurrection.
through
Through the same
the
Christ
same
our Lord.
Christ
Amen.
our Lord. Amen.
Glory to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.
As it was in the
As it
beginning,
was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall
without
be, world
end.
without end.
Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.
Glory was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end. Amen.
Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.
As
It
it
was
was
in
in
the
the beginning,
beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end. Amen.
Your section first.
Saint Joachim,
Pray for
Pray for us.
Archangel of Lourdes,
Pray for us.
Saint Augustine, our beloved patron.
Pray for us. In the name of the
In the name of the
Father, the
Father, the
Son,
Son,
and
the
the
Holy Spirit.
Holy Spirit. Amen.
All right, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining my class. So kita tayo sa Wednesday. Wala tayong assignment tomorrow, okay? So
Bakit
enjoy na tomorrow.
Isa lang.
Bakit pa walang assignment?
Kung gusto mo lang naman, bibigyan kita.
Isa lang assignment.
Gusto mo may assignment? Pwede naman.
Wala assignment.
Sinong gusto?
No. Hindi.
Ayun.
Si Uriel, ayoko.
Hindi ako. Ako lang
Ayoko.
nakita.
Okay, so